Well, good morning. It's the 14th of May. This is a Tuesday, and we do have some things that are positive in the markets as we come in here today. As a matter of fact, as we look at the screen, we've got all agricultural markets up. We're getting a good bounce today. Crude oil is up, dollar up, metals are mixed. We've got the stock market futures index is up. And I'm going to read you a paragraph on Bloomberg that kind of sums up where we are here. The article is entitled, "I Have a Feeling." And let me get it up here. It says, I have a feeling President Trump says that talks with China are going to be very successful, as he confirmed he will meet with President Xi Jinping at next month's G20 summit. His comments came after the U.S. Trade Representative's office released the list of $300 billion of Chinese goods that are next in line for a 25% tariff, while Beijing announced its own trade measures. Trump may be coming under pressure from inside the Republican Party as the standoff is increasing pain for American farmers, among the president's most loyal supporters. Markets are recovering some of the worst of yesterday's sell-off as hopes of a deal linger. So that's really what all this is about right now. We've mentioned it. It's, there's just no other news that matters to the market like this one does. I mean, obviously, big speculators are heavy short certain commodity markets. And if this market can start to firm up enough off some positive news and we start seeing some short covering, we could see this market bounce quite a bit. But nothing is going to be really done until we get something more concrete coming in the news, not just this sort of stuff. But it's good. It's good that we're up. Let's just take a look at where we are. July cotton is up 82 at 66.27 with the high of 66.56. So we were up about 125 at one point. The low is 64.50. So that's about 175 points lower. I think last night we opened up some, immediately sold off, but now we've come back overnight with these statements coming out. The December cotton is up 81 at 67.21, high of 67.33, low of 65.25. July soybeans are up 14 3/4. That's a good move up. That's 8.17 1/4. We got up to 8.21 overnight. The low is 8.05. November soybeans are up 15 1/2 at 8.43. July corn is up 8 3/4. Big move there at 3.65 1/4. The high is 3.65 1/4. So we're on that. The low is 3.60. December corn is up 7 3/4 at 3.84 1/4. July wheat up 5 at 4.42. High of 4.42 1/4. Low of 4.38. Crude oil up 68 cents a barrel in June at 61.73. Dollar is up about 30. We've got some, this is one of the few things that are down. Gold is down $2. Silver is up 2 cents. Gold seems to be a barometer for instability in the world, where money flows toward gold when things get really bad. Well, we've seen that lately, but today we're actually going the other direction. And then the Dow Jones Futures Index is up 173. I didn't mention European stock markets are up. As I mentioned, the U.S. stock market's up, and the Asian stock market across the board is down. So that is what's going on right now. Let's hope we can hold together this market, maybe get some more comments coming out. It's good to get something positive being said by the president, specifically pointing to farmers and how he is going to take care of them. So it's just no specifics. So that is it. Have a good day. We'll talk to you later.